Good morning. Welcome to week 9. Week 9 deals with the cardiovascular system, and you have 2 assignments scheduled for this week. You have this circulation assignment, and you have your practice test for chapter 11. For the circulation assignment, what you need to do is either download what I've given you here or copy it, putting the numbers and filling in the structures. I ask you to trace a drop of blood starting with the superior or inferior vena cava. Both blood vessels will empty into a heart chamber. Excuse me. And so I'm giving you hints here in parentheses as to what kind of structure I want. So here it's a heart chamber. The blood then goes through a valve to another heart chamber, through another valve into a large blood vessel that will split into a smaller one here. And those go to a specific organ. And then when they come back, this blood vessel brings the blood back to the heart. And you'll go into this chamber, through this valve, to this heart chamber, to another valve, and out to the aorta. So you want to fill in the blanks from numbers 2 through 13. And you can do this by looking at the diagrams in your chapter. Figure 11.3, A and B, which should be on page 359 and 360. If you follow those diagrams, they name the structures, and you should be able to look and trace the blood flow through the heart. Your book also talks about this, and you can probably take a look online and find the flow of blood. So this is your main assignment for the week. You also have your practice test for chapter 11, and then you have your lab handout. And this week you'll have several views of the heart, and you'll need to learn the structures of the heart for the lab test. You also have a diagram of fetal circulation. So I hope you have a good week, and I'll check back in next week. Goodbye.